The number one reason doctors and clinic owners overpay taxes without even knowing it. Doctors and clinic owners, let me tell you something important. If you feel like you are paying too much tax every year, but you don't really understand why, there's a very high chance it's not because your tax rate is high. Most doctors don't overpay taxes because they earn too much. They overpay taxes because their bookkeeping is messy. And this happens more often than you think. Let me explain this in simple words. Your tax is calculated based on your profit. And profit is basically income minus expenses. Now, here's the real problem. If your expenses are not recorded properly, your profit looks higher on paper. And when your profit looks higher, your taxes automatically become higher. So the main reasons doctors overpay taxes are missing expenses or tracking them incorrectly, mixing business and personal transactions. And when that happens, the clinic ends up paying extra tax without even realizing it. What missing expenses really mean. In medical practices, expenses are everywhere. You pay for medical supplies, you pay staff salaries, you pay for software subscriptions, you pay rent, utilities, and internet. Sometimes you also pay for online platforms, payment process, and transaction fees. The problem is most clinics don't record these expenses properly. Some expenses are paid from the business bank account. Some are paid using a personal card. Some receipts are missing. Some invoices are not saved. And many times everything is mixed together. So at the end of the month, or worse, at the end of the year, the clinic owner says, let's just give everything to the accountant. But here's the truth. An accountant can only work with what you provide. If your records are not clean, your accountant cannot magically find missing expenses. And that means lost deduction. And when you lose deductions, you pay more tax. A simple real-life example. Let's say your clinic made $300,000 in revenue this year. Your real expenses were around $200,000. So your real profit should be $100,000. But because your bookkeeping is not organized, you only recorded $170,000 of expenses. Now, your profit looks like $130,000. You didn't actually earn more, you just failed to record $30,000 of expenses. And now, you are paying tax on that extra $30,000. This is how clinics lose money silently, mixing personal and business spending. Mixing personal and business spending is another major issue. For example, paying for clinic supplies using a personal credit card, paying personal expenses from the clinic account. This makes your books confusing. And when books are confusing, your accountant becomes extra careful. They won't claim expenses without proper proof. And again, less deductions equals more tax. Doctors know how many appointments happened, but they often don't know numbers like how much did we spend on supplies this month? How much did payroll cost us? How much did marketing cost us? How much profit did we actually keep? And without these numbers, you are running your clinic on guesswork. And guesswork always leads to money loss. The simple solution. You don't need complicated financial knowledge. You just need clean monthly bookkeeping. That means record all income correct, record all expenses correct, separate personal and business transactions, reconcile bank and credit card accounts monthly, save receipts and invoices properly. Review a simple profit and loss report every month. That's it, because when your books are clean, your reports are clean. And when your reports are clean, tax filing becomes easy. No year-end panic, no rushing in March or April, no extra taxes because of missing records. So let me say it clearly. Most doctors don't overpay taxes because taxes are high. They overpay because their bookkeeping is messy. If you're a doctor, clinic owner, or running a virtual practice, and you want your books to be tax ready every month so you can stop overpaying and stop stress, ready to bring clarity to your clinic's finances, get started with Acure CFO today. Visit www.acurefo.com or email us at info@acurefo.com. Thank you.